Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Hi there and welcome to the ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 14th, 2010. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's take a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the dollar index closed last week on the low side with the 88.90 box remaining a strong resistance level. 84.85 remains an important support in the bigger picture, and it is important to note that the dollar could see a retracement back down to this level and still respect the uptrend in force. Now, a quick look at a daily snapshot highlights an important near-term support at 87, 87.5. A bounce off of this level could extend towards our 90 target. Let's take a look at the US versus the Canadian dollar as seen here in the ISC FX Options pair value CDD. Well, the CDD slipped lower but still respects the uptrend in force. We highlighted the possibility of a bullish wedge formation last week. However, there was no follow-through. As long as the 102-103 level holds, we are still open to this possibility. Now, a break above 104 will further support this idea. A break below 103 opens the window for further US dollar weakness, sliding down towards this 100, 101 focal zone. The YUK, the US versus the Japanese yen, is holding support at 91, lending credibility to an extended move higher into the 93-94 box. A break below 91 is likely to test support down at 87-88. The EUI, the US versus the Euro, rejected out of our 83-84 box and appears to be looking for support at 81-82. A bounce and subsequent break above 84 will have us targeting 87-88. The BPX continues to be range bound, forming what appears to be a bullish flag. A break above 70 opens the window for a push towards the 73-74 box. The AUX has broken an important trend line but hovers at a key support level at 117-118. We are cautious of a double top formation. However, if 117-118 holds a support, we will look for a retest of this resistance. Now, a break below 117 is likely to retrace deeper into our 113-114 box. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index pulled back as suspected, but is testing an important near-term support. The trend remains bullish for the US dollar in the bigger picture. The CDD continued to slide lower. Although the pair is testing a major trend line, we would like to see a break back above 104 to be confident in a continuation higher for the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. The YUK trend still appears to be down. However, there is support at 90.91. A break below 91 lends credibility to a drop towards 87.88. The EUI could not break our 83-84 resistance level. The pair appears to be slipping back to test support at 81.82. Although we may see a deeper retracement lower, the US dollar still appears to be an uptrend against the euro. The BPX still appears to be forming a bull flag after finding support at 67.5, 68. A break above 70 opens the window for a push towards 74. The AUX reversed out of our 122-123 focal zone and now tests a critical support level. The move appears to have formed a double top. Although the trend still appears to be to the upside, it is being tested. A break below 117 is likely to signal a deeper retracement. And this has been your ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 14th, 2010. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISC FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.